Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G53, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. Now to get started, you want to hold power key and volume up, just press on them. This will bring up our boot menu, and you want to select power off. When the phone turns off, hold power key and volume down at the same time. This will take us to boot mode, so in here using volume keys you want to select recovery mode, like this, confirm it with power key. You will see from there a Android with no command. Once you do, hold power key, press volume up once. This will take us to recovery mode. Then here, again, we'll need to use volume keys to navigate through the options, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So we have as a couple of the options, reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which will bring us to the previous page. We have enter fastboot mode, which technically previous page bootloader is also a fastboot mode, but this one is like a dedicated fastboot mode. Then we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. So there we go, those are all the options that we have. We navigate through them like I mentioned before using volume keys and confirm them using power key. So I'll confirm the first option, which will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.